Hi, Carl here from Easy Composites. In this short video, I'll demonstrate how a leak flow indicator should be used when vacuum bagging. These small devices can be a really handy way to tell that a bag is not yet sealed properly. The correct way to use the indicator is to set it up in parallel to the main vacuum line, using two T connectors like this. Initially, the branch including the leak flow indicator is clamped off to prevent air from flowing through it as the bag is pulled down. The reason for a parallel setup rather than an inline configuration is to protect the indicator from becoming damaged. Otherwise, when the pump is switched on, the high airflow of the main pull down will spin the rotor incredibly fast, which can damage the vanes or bearing, rendering the device completely unusable. Once the bag's been pulled down with this parallel configuration, a completely sealed bag should have no air flowing through the line. You can then swap the clamp from the indicator line to the main vacuum line to check the seal. In this case, you can see here that the indicator is slowly rotating, showing that air is passing through and there is a leak somewhere in the bag or seal. This is where you'd go round trying to identify and remedy the leak, checking all of the seals, which are the most likely culprit, but also looking for any potential punctures. Once the leak has been identified and fixed, the rotor should settle in a static position. It's worth noting that a mechanical indicator like this won't detect the very smallest of leaks. This is simply due to the resistance of turning the indicator, and so for cases where a perfect seal is imperative, like resin infusions, a drop test must still be performed. These indicators, though, will stop you from wasting your time on a drop test for the vast majority of minor leaks. So that's it, a quick explanation on how to safely use these handy gadgets to speed up your vacuum bagging. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments section below, or get in touch with the Easy Composites technical team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.